Have you ever heard of a man turning into a dog?
Well, they all do eventually, don't they?
Shaggy, you're back!
This is a man who hates dogs. Thanks, guys.
Good night, sir.
And through a strange circumstance,
Ow!
you scared him!
Oh, he bit me.
He turns into a dog, and through being a dog, he learns to be a better human.
What's happening to me?
I move my hand to the tempo.
I love you. We hooked up with these great actors. Jane Curtin is in this. Robert Downey Jr.
I am the chief scientist. I, me, mine. Ha!
No more growling.
Silence! Quiet!
I gotta go, guys.
Tim is funny all the time.
Don't talk to anybody. Don't play the music. And you're in charge.
He can't help it.
I got you now. I'm not playing prison. I got it. I am good.
Is there anyone who has not sniffed my butt?
3, 2, 1.
This way for fun and adventure. Ice Age.
How do we know it's an ice age? Because of all the ice.
Ferngully.
What are you supposed to be, some kind of fairy?
Of course I am.
Fabulous day in the canopy, isn't it? No worries. I'm okay.
Anastasia.
You ever thought about the possibility?
That I could be royalty?
Sweet Anastasia, Empress of all Russia.
Titan AE.
I'd lean back if I were you. Told you.
We did it, kid.
Robots.
Ta-da! I'm back. You miss me? Who wants to get fixed? Stick with me, kid. I know this town like the back of my hand. Hey, that's new.
Great fun and adventure. Now available on DVD.
From the studio that brought you Shrek, in every family,
this handing over the business is for you. You're acting like you don't even want it.
There's one who's different.
All I'm saying is the kid ain't exactly no killer.
I want you to take Lenny out, show him the ropes.
Oh, come on, Pop.
Son, you're gonna learn how to be a shark.
Hi. Little buddy is stuck there. I'm gonna get you out in a jiffy.
Lenny?
Oh, gee. Here's the thing.
I'm a vegetarian.
You're a good person.
Oh, no. In every food chain.
Nice of you to join us, Oscar. What's happening, baby? Looking good, ladies.
Hey, Oscar!
There's someone at the bottom.
On top, there's Don Lino. There's me. There's regular fish.
Then there's me.
I'm getting there. There's whale poo. And then there's you.
She's gonna blow!
Now, to change their destiny,
If you help me disappear, I'll help you become a star.
these two have the perfect plan.
Curse you, Shark Slayer! Oh! Ow! Yeah!
On October 1st,
Does this mean you're now protector of the reef, the big kahuna?
Kid, you're a superstar. We're gonna make a fortune. Just let me handle it.
What a team, baby!
High fin, low fin.
I want to know everything about him. Who is the Shark Slayer?
Will Smith, Angelina Jolie, Renee Zellweger,
What'd you expect? You just take credit for killing a shark and then everything be fine and dandy?
Ow, what the?
Jack Black, Martin Scorsese,
Hot!
and Robert De Niro.
You tell him my boys are gonna pay him a little visit. Sharks are coming to get me! You're blowing it, man! What, huh? Oh!
X circle, XX, double left, square right, trigger down, square, square.
Oh, hey!
Yeah, respect.
Respect.
Shark Tale.
Oh, you're a liar.
All right.
But the sharks don't know that.
Dun, 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 can't touch this. Dun, 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 can't touch this.